Houston, we have a problem. You've crash-landed in a parallel universe during a mission to outer space. Can you and your team navigate this strange planet, repair your spaceship, and get back to Earth? After a live virtual briefing from your event manager via a video meeting link, teams will head out onto the streets of your choice to take on a game that's out of this world. Parts of your spaceship have been spread across the local area, and your team will need to quickly locate them and get them back to the ship before it's too late. There's codes to crack, puzzles to solve, and pavements to pound.
Hello, I am your supercomputer terminal algorithmic network.
Your event manager will be available throughout the whole event to help offer live support, to show highlights, and of course crown the winning team at the end of the game. Oxygen levels are running low though, it's time for one giant leap for mankind.